Everyone, please pay attention and prepare a plastic bag. Then we put our tofu in it and used our fists. Smash its head to a pulp and serve. A new way to eat tofu that you've never seen before. It's simple and easy to learn. Rot. We'll try to crush it into smaller pieces, because that will improve the texture when you eat it. A more delicate. 235-6325. 7393821. Okay, then we'll find him a basin and pour it into the basin. Here, in the voile. This is a crucial point. Everyone please remember it. Next, we'll adjust it. 1. Seasoning is very simple. We just add a little salt to the bottom. Add some pepper to remove the beanie smell at this time. We find a small bowl and crack an egg into it. 2 eggs and 3 chickens. Egg. 4 eggs are needed. Do you want to make eggs? Oh, it smells fishy. Let me teach you a little trick. Put 2 drops of white vinegar in the bowl. To make the eggs tender and smooth, we can add a small spoonful of cornstarch. The eggs made this way are especially tender, smooth, and beautiful. Then we just stir it. The more astringent the crushed and broken up pieces are, the better. When it comes to speed, after it's broken up, we pour it into a bowl. Inside, halfway through, leave one. Ban Huobao shares a homestyle dish every day, if you like it. Your cooking skills are of the slightest help. Could you please give me a free one? Little Red Heart. Buddha also wishes everyone more money, less anger, good health, and all the best. Thank you. Home support. This tofu. We should stir it as finely as possible. After stirring it finely, we'll prepare another. We pour it into the flat plate. Steaming tofu like this will definitely not result in a nice appearance. We need to use this flat spatula. We paved it flat. Okay, lay it flat like this. The flatter the better. Just lay it flat. They look especially beautiful after being steamed. Next comes the crucial step. We'll use a 1.1 ratio of eggs. We poured it some warm water. Go in. This is how it was made. The eggs are especially tender and smooth, so we stir them together and break them up before giving them to him, her. Drowning. On the freshly laid tofu. Now comes the crucial step. We put it in the steamer. At this point, we need to find a lid like this. Then cover it up because if water vapor falls in while steaming, the color won't look good. However, we should try to avoid using insurance. Fresh film due to many plastic wraps on the market are not heat resistant and are bad for your health. At this point, we put the lid on it and let it steam. It steams for 8 minutes. Now let's stir fry some meat sauce and then pour the rapeseed oil into the pan. The oil is hot now. We gave the minced meat to. It's added in and stir-fried until fragrant, this minced meat. We stir-fried the oil and brought out the aroma, then added the ginger and garlic that we had prepared beforehand. We give it the small chili peppers. Pour it in. Another spoonful, please. Dubanjiang fermented broad bean paste gives it its aroma. After it was stir-fried, the aroma of ginger, garlic, and fermented bean paste was released. Give it a bowl of cold water. The seasoning is simple. Add a little less salt and a lot more pepper. If we're adjusting the color, let's add some dark soy sauce. Add a little more light soy sauce to enhance the flavor. It's been simmering for 3 minutes now, and the meat smells amazing. The soul of this dish has already been extracted, so we just need to add a little bit of this water feature. We'll add the flour in small amounts several times and continue stir-frying. It'll be about right if it's cooked like this. It's time. Let's see how our egg tofu is. Wow, it looks pretty good. The bright one. Then we took it out and put it on the cutting board. When it's done cooking, a new way to eat tofu that you've never seen before. It's so easy to learn. Wow, this tastes amazing. Michizan. It smells incredibly good. Finally, let's add a little bit of chopped green onion. If this dish were to be rated out of 100, how many points would you give it? Wow, this is really good. I'll try it first and see how it tastes. The tenderness of the eggs and tofu, combined with the savory flavor of the meat, is really delicious.